Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today. Okay, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, today the market was in a gap up position. Okay, so as you can see, the market opened at 1.20% up, and then the market is continuing to go up still. But in this situation, you can watch this live trading video how I did a live trading today. I did short sell. So watch this video till the end to know how I traded today in the gap up situation. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did today. So guys, yes, today is 5th of November and the time is around 9:15 now. So let me just go to pre-open market and see where the market is opening today. So yes, market is 1.29% up. That is, market is in gap up position today and advanced stocks are 50. Okay, all the stocks are in advanced position, no declines and no unchanged stocks. Okay, so a lot of gap up today. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section. That is SBIN with 4.35% up, Indus India Bank with 2.49% up, and HCL Tech with 2.31% up. So yes, so market is opening in the gap up section, which is 1.29% up. So we'll see what stock I can trade today, and I'll show you my live trade what I do today. So guys, right now I have selected Axis Bank and I'm in a short sell side. Okay, so around 532.50 is where I short sold and I'm holding the position, and yes, it is continuing to go down 531.70 now. So I'll keep 0.5% target, which will be almost like 2.2 rupees or 2.5 rupees. Okay, so we'll see how this stock will perform. So right now I'm in a short sell position of Axis Bank around 532.50. So I'll be exiting this around 530 maybe. So we'll see how it will perform. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, my target is achieved. Okay, so 530 has been touched. As you guys can see here, the low is 529.60. 529.9 on the chart, but in the market depth is showing 529.60. So yes, anyway, the target was achieved here, if you guys can see. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, market is almost like 1.27% up. That's a gap up. Okay, so the market didn't start and then go up. Okay, it's a gap up, and that's the reason why I chose to short sell today. And even Axis Bank, if you see, there was no much of a gap up in Axis Bank, but there was a downtrend which I saw according to the studies on Axis Bank. So that's the reason why I have taken short sell entry around 532.50 and I booked my profit. Okay, so yes, so this was a profit what I was able to book today in today's trade of Axis Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.